Hello and welcome to our new channel. We intend to upload helpful tutorial videos to help Matterport users with their queries. If you have a how-to question, please comment below and we will consider making a video to explain how it's done. In this video we will explain how you can remove the reflection of your camera or other reflections from your virtual tour. Unfortunately, we can't pull the sweep images directly out of the Capture app, so you will need to process the model as normal first. Once the processing is complete, log into your Matterport account and open the model in the workshop webpage. Then, click Edit and navigate to the sweep you need to modify. In our example, you can see a camera reflection in the mirror and also on the shower door. We will remove both of these reflections. Choose the Photos option, and select Pano, then take a snapshot. Now exit at the top left and choose the media link, then scroll down to the 360 Panos section, choose the correct pano and click Download. This will download the pano to your computer. Next, you need to open the downloaded pano into your preferred photo editing software program. In our example, we are using Photoshop, and we will be using the new Remove tool to remove our reflections. Most photo editing programs have a similar tool. You should search YouTube for a tutorial if you are unsure how to edit the image. Once the pano is edited, save it to a location that you will be able to then open it from your iPad. We are saving it in our OneDrive account, but it could be Google Drive or iCloud. The next step is to open the job in the Capture app on your iPad. Without connecting your camera, select the iPad icon next to the Capture button. And select Import 360-degree images. And then 360 views from Files. Choose the location that you saved the edited pano, select the pano or panos, then select Open. The panos will then be downloaded into the Capture app and will be saved with the other 360 panos in the 360 view gallery. Select the edited pano and select Place on Map in the top right corner. Now, choose the pano. It's most likely positioned itself in the top left of the workspace, and select Convert to 3D. It should position itself on top of the original scan. If it positions itself in the wrong place, you can try the Realign Scan function to correct this. I like to leave the original scan in place to ensure it processes correctly, and then turn it off after processing. That's it. All you need to do now is reprocess the model. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to be sure to catch our next Matterport tutorial, and remember to comment below if you have a question about capturing Matterport virtual tours. We hope to see you again soon.